Good morning, class 6. So, today in SST, the first chapter is when, where, and how. So, the topic that we are going to read is what is history, why do we learn history, history and prehistory, and time and dates in history. So, the first topic is what is history? What is history? It is nothing but the study of our past. It is nothing but the study of our past. It also talks about what people did, what people did, how they lived. All we can come to know from the history. We can come to know about their occupation. We can come to know about their habits, their economy. Okay, how they have lived their life, their clothes, everything we can know from the history. So it is very important to know about history. And the another thing, why should we learn history, is if we read history, then it will tell us about our ancestors. That is very important thing. So now our next topic is why do we learn history? We should learn history for various reasons, but what the main thing is that history teaches us to carefully examine and question facts, before accepting them as the truth. It educates us. It tells us about the knowledge of different places. A study of the past gives us a sense of identity. It gives us the sense of identity if we read about the past. And we need to know our past to be able to understand our present. Yes, that is very important point. Need to know the past if we have to understand our present. All right. And we should read history to make us more tolerant and open minded about the other culture, about other people and their culture. So, history makes us more open minded. So, these are the points just for your knowledge, more open minded. So, I think it's clear. Now, we will be talking about history and prehistory. First of all, let's talk about prehistory. Prehistory is the study of events that happened before humans learned to write. So, when we have learned to write, before that, what happened in this world, that is called our prehistory. And what is history? Is the written account of events of the past. Means after humans started learning to write, after that what had happened all comes under history, and before the beginning of writing of human, that's called our prehistory. So remember this, that history is the written account of our past and prehistory is the account that happened before human learns to write. Now comes our time and dates in history. A historian, you will see, they used to count the years forward or backwards from the year in which Christ is believed to have been born. The period before the birth of Christ is known as your BC, means before Christ. The period after that, after BC, the period after BC is known as AD, means Anno Domini, which means in the year of the Lord. This is a Latin word. This is a Latin word which means in the year of our Lord. That means if I say 2nd BC, this comes after your 4 BC. After 4 BC comes 2nd BC. But if I talk about AD, in AD2 comes before AD4. Okay, so here these are the terms. Now there are too many terms like BCE. In place of BC, nowadays we use BCE, and in place of AD we use CE. BCE means before common era. Before common era. And CE means common era. Okay, so BCE means before common era and CE means common era. So now we don't use 2 BC, we use 2 BCE, and in place of AD2 we use 2 CE. So like that. Again there are many terms like decade. Decade means 10 years, period of 10 years. Century. Century means a period of 100 years. And millennium, which means a period of 1000 years. So these are also important terms.